Hello, I'm Johan Kleis and I'm a marketing coach, and I made a review on ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is a business automation solution that will help you target your customers across a variety of channels and will help you establish long-term personal relationships. Are you looking for CRM that integrates personal email, marketing and automations? Do you want to explore contacts and send targeted campaigns? This is a video review of a marketing automation solution combined with my hands-on experiences for anyone to watch. Click the link down this post and gain free access to the complete review tutorial and read my textual findings on how ActiveCampaign as a marketing automation solution can translate your entire business marketing strategy. This video review might come handy in your decision journey for a marketing automation solution or might be helpful for you as an informative piece of content. See you up there.